Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how can you fix the problem Facebook is not working. You can see here in my Facebook account, if I go, my Facebook is not working anyhow. You can see here my Facebook is not working. So if you face this kind of problem, then this is the video which you looking for, because in this video I am going to show how you can fix that. So before starting the video, I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For fixing the problem, you have to go first in your Play Store. You can see here I am on my Play Store. After come here on your Play Store, you have to simply search here for Facebook. You can see here I am simply searching here for Facebook, and after searching here Facebook, you have to simply make sure your Facebook is updated. You can see here my Facebook is updated, so I have to simply go here on my phone settings. You can see here I am on my phone settings. You can see here you have to go your phone settings, and from your phone settings you have to find your app manager. You can see here your app manager. If you don't get manually, you have to search here app manager. After that you will get your app manager. So I am simply got it manually. So after getting your app manager, you have to simply click here on app manager. After clicking on app manager, you can see here option app list. You have to simply click here app list. After clicking here app list, you have to simply search here for Facebook. If you can see here I got my Facebook. After got your Facebook, you have to simply click here storage and caches. After clicking here storage and caches, you have to simply clear storage and caches, and then you have to go back from here and you have to click here permission. You can see here no permission granted. You have to click all the thing. You can see here you have to give allow all the permission. You can see here I am giving all the permission for my Facebook. After giving all the permission, you have to go back from here. You can see here you have to give all the permission, and then you have to go back from here and you have to simply open your Facebook. You can see here after giving all the permission and clearing cache and storage, I will got my Facebook account is back. Now you can see here my Facebook is working. You can see here now my Facebook is working. So that's how you can solve the problem of not working your Facebook. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.